Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Sri Wulansari Sedia. The topic of my presentation is motivation in reading and expectancy plus value models. Okay, let's start with a reason. Okay, so the simple sense, motivation is what makes people do or not do. Something motivation is similar to attitude in some respects. The first, neither can be directly observed, but must be inferred from behavior and action. And the second, both have degrees of intensity ranging from strong to weak, but they are different. A friend can write that the study of motivation has a traditional big concerned with the ourselves, direction, and persistence of behavior. So to understand motivation, we can study some psychological models. Among those models, one model is particular helpful from a teacher point of view. According to the models, motivation has two equal models is that people two equals components, expectation and value. The point of the expectancy plus value models is that people do what they expect to accomplish successfully, and then to avoid what they expect they cannot accomplish. This is balanced by people to undertake tasks that they value, and tend to avoid choose things a little value from them, even though they reasonably expect that they can do them. Okay, so the second section 1, motivation and second language reading. The following in expectancy value models of motivation in the context of second language reading. The context is expectancy, have materials is of interesting linguistics and reading ability in the second language, and then the value attitude toward reading in the second language, sociocultural environments including influence of family and friends, and then motivation discussion to read in the second language. Okay. Fifth, two models of the major variables of motivation, the discussion to read in second language, or a solid line index terms of strangers influence that a broken line. Okay, as it can be seen, there are four major variables: the motivation, the desire to read in a second language, materials, second language is materials, reading ability, attitudes, and social natural environments. So two of these, materials and reading ability, relate to the expectation of success in the readings the second language, and the other two attitudes and social cultural environments relate to the value access to reading the second language. Okay, the section primary variables in motivation have so two of the variables in the models, materials, attitudes, are considered primary, and it can be claimed that they are both equally very important. When As students does not have positive attitude or the materials are not appropriate, there would be lack of motivation for learners to decide to read the second language. On the other hand, a low reading ability or non-conducive societal environments can be compensated if teacher can promote positive second language attitude and provide appropriate materials. So my I like to conclude in these materials. I think um, obtain to a lot of motivation in learning, um, and to understand the motivation we can learn about model psychological models and others, and and so the first motivation in reading neither can be directed by observes, and the second both have degrees of intensity. And then the following in expectation and value models of motivation on context of second language to readings motivation in reading. And then I think my presentation. Thank you very much for attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.